Hi friends, and we are happy that you are on our channel. Today we are going to talk more about the Instagram application, so let's go to the bottom if you are interested in how to create and to use post drafts later. So let's get started. Now I will go to the Instagram app, and as you can see we are on our profile page. So I need to pick on this plus icon at the top bar of the screen to create a new post, but I won't add it to my profile page, but save it to the drafts. So I will choose the post option here, and later I need to click on one of the images here as an example. I will pick on this one, and let's tap on the next button 2 times. Remember that you don't need to pick on this share option because you will post it to your profile, but you need just to add some caption as an example, and tap on the arrow here on the upper left corner 2 times to add this post as a draft. As you can see here, we have the second option like save draft. So in this way I will disable my post creation and refresh my profile page to show you how to use these drafts later and how to get access to these drafts posts. So when you have saved your drafts, your images, let's pick on this plus icon and let's choose the post option as before, but we don't need to choose the same image from the gallery app as before, but go to the draft section here. Amazing! And as you can see, this is our image we have chosen this time. We have successfully created a new post with this draft. Also, you can switch out and choose another draft on your account. This is our older one. And pick on the next option to add this draft as a usual post to your profile. You can also manage and adjust your caption here and description, add in another one. I will add something like hi, and click on the share option to add this post to your profile page. We need to wait a minute before the uploading and go to check our result. And as you can see here, we have our newly created image, which was added as a draft before. So I hope that right now you know how to manage your drafts, create new drafts and add them later. I hope that you know more about this application Instagram, but remember that on our channel you can also find more interesting tutorials about this application and to get to know some new tricks. So don't forget to subscribe and check other guides. Have a nice day. Good luck.